Hi, welcome to day 2 of Python Everyday. In today's video, we look at how to add a single line comment and a multi-line comment in your Python code. Just like other programming languages, for example C or Swift, you can use a comment to explain your code. You can also use a comment to make your code more readable. Also, you can use it to prevent a code from execution. For example, if you want to test the code. To add a comment in Python, you should use the hash symbol and place it above your code. Also, you can place a comment at the end of your code this way. Next, let's add a variable animal emojis. If we do not want to show this line, we can place a comment here to prevent the code from execution. So this is how to add a single line comment in Python. If you want to add a multi-line comment in some other languages, you put a / and 2 star symbols and also another /, but this will not work in Python. Python does not have a multi-line comment, so if you want to achieve a multi-line comment, we can add the hash sign at each line like this. So you can see here we have the hash symbol at each line of the code. Another way to add a multi-line comment in Python is to use a triple quotation mark. Just like other programming languages, we can embed a text in triple quotation marks to be rendered in multi-line. Let's create a variable multi-line. Let's also print the multi-line before we use it to create the comment. To run this file, I will control-click anywhere in the code editor and select the option Run Python. Then I'll choose Run Python file in terminal. You can see here we have the multi-line text. Let's kill the terminal. So once we use the triple quotation mark but do not assign it to any variable, Python will still read the code but ignore it at runtime. So in this example, you can see we have a single quotation mark. We can also use a double quotation mark as well. So that is all about adding single and multi-line comments in Python. Thanks for watching this video and wait for the next.